Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best folder for girls. The Nicfaec expanding file folder with 13 pockets in a beautiful pink shade. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional way to organize your documents, notes, and papers, this folder could be exactly what you need. The Nicfaec expanding file folder measures 8.2 by 11 inches, the perfect size for standard letter papers. It features 13 individual pockets, each with a tab, making it easy to separate and categorize your documents. This means whether you're organizing schoolwork, office papers, or personal notes, you'll find a dedicated spot for everything. The pockets are color-coded inside, adding a fun pop of color while helping you quickly identify the sections. One of the standout qualities of this folder is its durability. Made from high-quality polypropylene plastic, the material is waterproof and tear-resistant, so your papers stay protected from spills and wear. This makes it ideal for daily use, whether at school, at work, or on the go. The folder's design is both practical and stylish. The soft pink color appeals especially to those who want a feminine touch in their stationery. It's lightweight at just under 10 ounces, yet roomy enough to hold a significant amount of paperwork thanks to its expanding accordion style. When fully packed, it still closes neatly, keeping your papers secure and compact. Versatility is another key feature here. Beyond school or office use, this folder is great for keeping household documents like bills, recipes, or important papers organized. Its compact size also fits easily into backpacks, purses, or briefcases, making it convenient for carrying around. The top-positioned tabs allow for easy flipping and quick access to your files. Plus, with a total of 13 pockets, you have more compartments than many similar folders, providing extra organizational options. The classic style keeps it looking clean and professional, while the vibrant interior colors keep things lively and easy to manage. To sum up, the Nicfaec expanding file folder is a perfect blend of style, function, and durability. Its multiple pockets, waterproof material, and eye-catching pink color make it a must-have for anyone looking to stay organized with a bit of personality. If you want a folder that works hard and looks good, this one deserves a spot on your desk or in your backpack. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.